wow kids. So kids, today we are celebrating Transport Day. So happy Transport Day to all my wow kids. And today we will play a very interesting game which names Guess the Sound. In this game I am going to play some sounds and you have to guess them after hearing them that the sound represents which transport. Okay, you can tell me even the name of the vehicle also. So let's start playing it, and here goes your first sound. So listen it carefully. So kids, tell me which sound is this? Is this a auto rickshaw? Is this a ship? Or is this a helicopter? Tell me which transport represents that sound? Yes, this is a sound of a helicopter. Yes, you have guessed it right. Now let's go and hear the second sound. So kids, have you listened the sound? It sounds like a siren. Yes. So tell me, is this a airplane, or is this a yacht, or is it a police car? Tell me. Yes, you guessed it right again. This is a police car. This is the siren of a police car. Yes. Now let's play the other sound and listen it carefully. So kids, tell me, is this the sound of a airplane, or is this a sound of a bus, or is this a sound of a train? Yes, you know it. This is a train. And here goes your next sound. So listen it carefully. So kids, tell me, is this a jet plane, or is this a lorry, or is this a ship? Yes, this is the sound of a ship. And here goes your next sound. So listen it carefully. So kids, tell me which sound is this? Is this a motorboat, or is this a motorbike, or is this a hot air balloon? Tell me. Yes, I know some of you have even traveled on it. Yes, this is a motorbike. Papa runs the motorbike. Yes. So I hope you have enjoyed this game. Guess the sound. And once again, happy Transport Day.